it's me, Kane. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you guys how I style my hair and do my makeup every day. I start off by wetting my hair down and then taking a fine tooth comb and combing everything back. Makes it nice and straight so that when I start blow drying, it stays in that nice shape. Then I go in and take my round brush and a blow dryer and start blow drying everything back. I keep my blow dryer at a high setting and high heat. It makes the hair nice and shiny and also straightens the hair and makes it smooth. I then wrap my hair around the round brush and start to blow out the front end of my hair. This keeps a nice rounded shape in the front, so it adds a little height and volume to my hair. Then I let it cool around that round brush so it stays like that all day. Go in with a little hairspray and spray that down so it stays like that. And then I release the curl and you can see it's nice and shiny and curly and perfect. Then I start to brush everything back and start including that curl into the rest of my hair. And then I just blow dry it till it all kind of melts together. Then I take some hairspray and a wide tooth comb and I start to rake the comb through my hair while spraying my hair at the same time. This gives it kind of like a piecey look so that it's nice and natural looking, but it's like totally not. Then I spray it till it's nice and hard. I do not want my hair to move throughout the day. I want it to stay like that all day. Then I move on to my beard. I take a little Woody's beard balm with a little beard oil as well. And I cocktail those two together. Then I rub them together with my hands, get it nice and warm, and then run it through my beard. Kind of massage the product through my beard. Massage the product through my beard and a little bit on the sideburn area, and then I take a comb and just comb my beard into place. Beards, I feel like, need to be well groomed. So if you have a beard, groom it well because it looks nice and professional and clean. Then I go in and start with my makeup. I take a little bit of oil-free moisturizer from Ofra, and then I just massage that into my skin. I make sure it's really well massaged and my skin drinks up all that moisture. Then I take some EOS lip moisturizer and moisturize my lips as well. Then I take the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation on a damp Real Technique sponge and just press that into my skin. I love this foundation. It has great coverage, lasts all day, doesn't crease or smudge. It stays exactly where I want it to. Then I take Studio Fix powder on a kabuki brush and I buff that on top of the foundation. Especially on my nose or areas I don't want to be shiny, it does a really good job of keeping me nice and matte. I also love this powder foundation because it's full coverage and it just has a beautiful texture to it. Then I go in with my NYX matte bronzer. And then with the same brush, I get a little product and start to slightly contour my cheek area. I'm pretty round, so I don't like a harsh contour. I kind of just like a light halo of warmth around my face. So I'll go in and push the product around, lightly buff, so it's nice and soft and just gives me just a pretty warmth. Then I go in with a CoverGirl brow definer, and then I just comb this through my brows. I like my brows to be kind of big and bushy, so this is a great job of giving me that look. And just kind of squint your brows together and give that mean look. It kind of helps with the brow shaping. Then with whatever's left on my brush, I just rake it through my beard, and it gives me a nice full look. So there you have it, the Kane Beatdown. That's me. I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.